Hi, I'm Joseph Radhik, a wedding and portrait photographer. For me, a major element for capturing aesthetic photographs are the colors. Colors make us feel emotion, they bring joy, they make us feel somber. Let's talk about how we can artistically use colors in photography. Want to make a great photo with color? Easy. First find one dominant color, then place a subject that contrasts with that color. Contrast is your best friend when you want to make photos with lots of color. This photo of women in the fields is a beautiful example of using color to frame your subject and highlight it too. The first step is key though. Finding a background rich in color isn't easy. So when you do, be patient and wait and find that contrast. Sunlight changes the way we perceive color. Bright afternoon light gives you deep saturated color, while dark shadows give you muted ones in the shadows. Sunsets give you a golden glow over everything. Use this knowledge and the HDR on your Oppo phone to make stunning images. Of course, just the color of the sunset sometimes is enough to make a mesmerizing frame. Some may disagree, but black is a color too. Make a stunning silhouette against a colorful lit background. Place your subject against a bright source of light, ideally when the sun is low on the horizon, and you can either pose them or direct them to introduce some action. Either way, you can make a photo that grabs your viewer's attention. When editing photos full of color, the biggest mistake you can make is over-editing them. Your Oppo phone will give you a natural, subtle image to start with. All you need to do is add a little bit of pop to it, while retaining the saturation levels of the primary color in the image. This is all. Now click some amazing photographs and send them to me by participating in Oppo Imagine If India Photography Awards 2024.